going to teach you how to do the fan stitch. This is my go-to stitch for the petals. First, you take enough embroidery floss that it's not going to be too much or too little. I'm bringing my needle to the middle of the floss that I cut so it doubles up the floss, creating a thicker appearance. I'm starting from the tip of the petal, but you can also start from the middle. I'm going to pin it in the back with my finger and then bring it to the center, continuing to stitch through all the holes on that petal, stitching it through the same hole in the middle. I'm going to continue to do this for all the petals until I run out of thread. You can get pretty particular about the way that the embroidery floss lays with the stitches, but I'm doing this very quickly just to show you how I enjoy filling in the petals. Now I'm going to speed it up so that you can see what happens when I run out of embroidery floss. As I finish the last stitch, I'm just gonna cut the thread from behind and do a double knot. I'm going to take another piece of embroidery floss, this time a little bit longer than the last one since that one barely covered half the flower. And again, going to put the needle in the middle of the thread so that I'll have a doubled up look when I stitch, creating a thicker presence. On the back, I'm going to bring embroidery floss through, leaving enough to tie it to the other loose end using a double or triple knot. I'm going to speed it up until I'm finished with all the petals. At the end, I'm just going to cut the embroidery floss and tie it together. And there you have it. That's how I like to do the petals. Check out our next video on how to do French knots. We'd love you to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment on what you would like to see us do next. Thank you for watching.